Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm at Vasant Kunj. I'm at Ambience Mall. So I thought I will show you the mall. We'll go inside and I'll show you the mall. It opened in 2010, so it's been 14 years now. And it is one of the prominent malls of South Delhi. So let's go inside and see. So that's the entrance of Ambience Mall. The nearest metro is Vasant Vihar metro station on Magenta line. So we are inside the mall now. Um, you can see so this is inside. So today is Tuesday evening, so it's not very crowded. So there is a very big Uniqlo store here, and then you have H&M. So you can see so there is a food court and PVR also here. I'll show that to you. So that's PVR director's cut here. This was the first luxury cinema in Delhi back in 2010, and then there are eateries here, and there's a food court on the other side. There is Chili's, and yeah, there is La Opera here right at the entrance. That's a one. There are more eateries. There is Social here. There is Pizza Express. So you can see. And that's a food court. So that was my video of Ambience Mall. It's an interesting mall in South Delhi. Been around for 14 years. Still one of the best malls in South Delhi. Right next to it is Promenade, and then next to that is Emporio. So yeah, Vasant Kunj, this is one of the prominent malls. Lots of brands here. So thank you very much for watching my channel. I'll bring you more stories. Thank you. Thank you.